In this tutorial, let me show you how the circle to search actually works on the iPhone, how we're going to do this. Right, so let's say that I'm browsing the internet and I come across an image, like I obviously know what that is, but if I want to look up some specific information about it, you can see that I can capture a screenshot using the volume up as well as the power button. When I press it like this, the screenshot gets captured, and in this mode I can use the Siri highlight to search. So it tells me at the bottom that I can highlight the area. You can do like a circle, but it just kind of tries to recognize the thing, and at the bottom you can slide up to see what's going on. You have to kind of like accept the terms and conditions if you want to use it. So you can click on continue if you accept it, and then you can see what it looked up. So as I said, it's more of highlight to search than a circle to search. So try, instead of highlighting it in a circle, try to kind of like draw on the area you want to look up. So now that I selected the statue perfectly, or even a little bit better, you can see that it tells me more information from Google as well as from Etsy. For some reason, I can look up the thing on Etsy as well. So I guess that might be nice for some people. And that's how you can basically do the circle to search on iPhone. But personally, if I'm being honest, I like to use it, and it's actually much better if I go through the official Google app. So on your iPhone, you can go into the App Store, like I'm in here, and just download the Google app. Not the Chrome browser, but this general Google with the G icon, right? So now that we have it open, you can see that we can get inside and click on the camera icon, and you might want to give it some access or whatever. But now in the camera mode, we can upload pictures from the gallery, and now we can highlight or select the area that we want to look up within Google. And now we not only get the visual matches, but also like AI description, and it's much more useful because it actually tells me what I'm looking at. I can look up the exact same images. So again, you just upload the thing to the Google app, and then you have the ability to look up that particular thing. So personally, I think it's a little bit better if you want to look up some specific information in some photo. I think it's much better to use the Google app instead of the highlight to search from Siri. But that's just from me. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.